Meanwhile, the Congress is firefighting a crisis that's playing out in Rajasthan. The Congress is trying its hardest now to pacify Sachin Pilot, who is reportedly unhappy after promises made to him 10 months back haven't been fulfilled yet. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other senior leaders dialed the former Deputy Chief Minister and assured him that all his grievances will be addressed. Pilot, interestingly, is in Delhi today. He's going to be meeting with senior Congress leaders as well. Meanwhile, Pilot Camp MLA Hemaram Chaudhary, who had earlier resigned, will meet the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker today. Earlier, you had the Pilot Camp expressing displeasure that the panel that was set up after Pilot's rebellion last year has not taken any action on the issues that was raised by them. Devankar is joining us live with the latest political updates on the story. Dev, good morning. You've got now Congress in a damage control mode, especially what's happened with Jitin Prasad perhaps has woken up the high command to what's happening in Rajasthan as well. But this seems the fact that you have Priyanka Gandhi and several other senior leaders stepping in. Is it more of a temporary measure to pacify Sachin Pilot? Is this a matter of just buying some more time?
Good morning, Akshita. The fact is that there is no two-way about the fact that Sachin Pilot and his camp are currently disappointed. They believe that the promises that were made to them after the much public Gehlot Pilot tussle are yet to be fulfilled. It's been more than 10 months. It was a 3-member committee headed by Ajay Maken. Pilot, in fact, today visited Dausa district in Rajasthan to pay obeisance to his father, late Rajesh Pilot, and he's expected to reach Jaipur and take part in the agitation against petrol diesel price hike. The fact of the matter is that Pilot is not opening all his cards, but what we are given to learn through our sources is that he has been in discussions with senior leadership of the Congress, the likes of Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi, have been trying to pacify and persuade Pilot not to take any hasty step, because the party is fearing that like Jitin Prasad, there can be another a casualty in terms of a senior leader exiting the party, and the party wants to ensure that Pilot and his camp is told that all their grievances and the grouse that they had have been heard and they will be addressed. What we are given to learn, Akshita, is that later this month, in the month of June itself, the roadmap to cabinet expansion and the changes in the government, in the organizational structure of the party can be ensured so as to make sure that Pilot does not do a Jitin Prasad on the Congress.
All right, and this is a story we'll be tracking very, very closely. Dave, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us.